Math 7, Lesson 9.1, Points, Lines, and Planes. First of all, we're going to take a look at some definitions and see then what that definition actually looks like. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the definition of a point. A point is an exact location represented by a dot. So that would look like this, that point A represented by a dot. How do you write it? Point A. A line is a continuous set of points without end. Collinear are the points that are connected by a straight line. So this is a line. It doesn't end, which is why you have the arrows going on both directions. Collinear those are the 2 points that are on the same line. So co means together, linear on the same line. And the way that you'd write it is line AB or line BA, either way. These are the symbols for what that looks like. Line segment is part of a line with 2 endpoints. So if you look over here, there's 2 endpoints. It doesn't have the arrow on it like this. There's specific endpoints, and here it's E and F. So the way that you would write that is line segment EF. Or, this is the symbol for it, is EF with a line over the top of it, means line segment, or you can write it as FE, either way. Array is part of a line with 1 endpoint. So over here, here's your endpoint, and then the other side is going to be an arrow. So you're going to have 2 points on this line, point B and C, and the way that you would read it and write it is ray BC or BC with the ray on top. Angle is formed by 2 rays with shared endpoint called vertex. So this is an angle, and this right here, the point, is called the vertex. And this would be angle ABC, written like this, angle ABC. A plane is a flat 2-dimensional surface that extends indefinitely in all directions. So this would be a plane. It's 2-dimensional. X, Y, and Z are considered a coplanar because they're all on that same plane. This is the plane right in here. If there was a letter right outside of here, it would not be coplanar. It would be outside of the plane. So these are all inside of the plane, so it's coplanar. So this would be plane X, Y, and Z. Let's take a look at a few more. Intersecting lines are 2 lines that cross at exactly 1 point. So these would be intersecting lines. Right there is the point that crosses at. Perpendicular lines are 2 lines that intersect at right angles. So those 2 are perpendicular, and right here is the right angle. There's also one here, here, and here. And this would the way that you would read this is line segment, line AB is perpendicular to line CD. You could write it the reverse of that as well. Parallel lines, same plane, but do not intersect. So parallel lines would be kind of like railroad tracks. They are the same width apart at all points, and they are in the same plane, but they never touch. So those are parallel lines. These are parallel lines. You can find a whole bunch of parallel lines. So the way that you would write that is angle or line AB is parallel to EF. So that would be AB is parallel to line EF. And there's a lot of other ones in here as well, but these are the ones that we have labeled.